Alright, so all three of these, the new exercises, if you need to practice a bar at a time, that's fine. So, even just for example, that bar right there, you can work that up from 60 to 140 all by itself before you work on the next one all by itself. And then you can work on those two together, and then these two together, and so on until you're able to piece the whole thing together. So break it down into as many pieces as you need in order to help you get it, because it's going to be better to do that instead of like you start here and then you get to that note like, oh, I goofed up, and then I goofed up for whatever reason. So maybe you need to just work on those two together and get that transition taken care of. Yeah, hope that makes sense. If not, let me know. Alright, so I'm going to do the 60, 100, and 140 for the demonstration. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that I just jumped into recording this, I'm thinking, man, maybe I should have practiced these a little bit before I did. Like, when I get to going fast, it's like, oh man, trying to sight read the rhythm like that. Well, let's find out what happens. So back down to 60. Oh goodness. Actually, let me just do this. Remember where the fingering is. And then I change there. Okay. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the tough one now. Very curious how this one's going to play out. Okay, this is a real quick refresher. So right, let's see what happens here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So far, so good. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here we go. The mistakes are creeping in. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So, probably couldn't hear me doing it, but something I'll do, instead of just counting the 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and, sometimes I'll just mouth a rhythm and be like da 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 da. So that's something else you can do to help keep you in on track with everything. It's certainly possible to do the traditional counting there of the 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and so on. The only concern I have, especially at those faster speeds, is if you're saying these numbers and then you're trying to navigate various frets all over the place, that might get a bit confusing. So that's why sometimes I will opt for just going da 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 and so on. So, but either way is good. But we're gonna continue doing the traditional counting stuff when we get to more chord strummy things, because that's good to do. All right, I believe that covers everything we discussed yesterday. But as always, if you got questions, let me know, and I will see you again on Thursday.